Nice.
Yeah.
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Everything's been to hold up well from last time?
Yes.
Yes.
I am pregnant.
That is awesome.
So I told her last time, but so I feel like there's just a little new, like,
Yeah, some new changes
pains,
going on.
But
Yeah.
yeah.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
I'm so excited for y'all. That's fantastic. Well, look, this is going to help out with the entire process and everything. So I'm sure Dr. Grabowski talked to you about that last time.
Yes, she did.
So,
yes.
Yeah, so we take care of a lot of pregnant patients. And
yeah.
So it'll be good.
Yeah, moving around's been different.
Yeah. That's awesome. I'm so excited for y'all.
Thanks.
That's great. All right, well, let's check everything out. Good. Relax that ring. Good. And this one, right? Good. There we go. Wonderful. All right, let's get you on your stomach. All right, let's get that first. Breath in and out. And there. So just scoot forward. There we go. We're going to keep this leg straight, and we're going to bend this one. We're going to do that. Good. May I see this bottom arm? Good. Yeah, just like that. Good. Relax that. Great. That was ready. Let's get you on the other side. Great. All right.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Congratulations. I'm so happy for y'all.